How to collaborate Instagram stories. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Instagram application on a device and make sure that you're logged in. So in order to collaborate the Instagram stories, just make sure that you are mentioned in the story of the particular person. So whenever you are mentioned in a story, then you are generally given a notification over here in the notification center. So here it says that stories about you where you are mentioned. So it says one story mentions you, or you can also receive a DM over here in the DM section as you go onto their profile. So we're gonna go to the notification center and tap on the story that mentions us. So here you can see the option of add to your story that has popped up. So just tap on add to your story and then add any sort of text or sticker or music as well. So right now I don't want to add anything else, so I'm going to go and tap on your story. As I tap your story, it will be added to my story as well.